Hi everyone. Alright, let's get to it. First, let's make a new project, by clicking on File, New, and then the new project. Now let's make a comp by clicking on its icon. Adjust the name and the resolution to your liking, and press OK. Let's make a text layer. Right-click, New, Text, write 0. Align it. If you don't have the Align option, make sure to turn it on by going to Window, Align. If your workspace doesn't look like mine, you can change this by setting the workspace option to Effects. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Slider. Double-click on the slider control. Go to Text Layers Properties. Click on the source text stopwatch while holding Alt. Click on the pick web and drag it to the slider control effect. Now you can change the text number by changing the slider control. You can animate it by clicking on the slider control stopwatch when it is 0. Now change it to the number you want, but there is a problem as you see. To fix it, click on the slider control stopwatch while holding Alt. Change the expression to Math.floor. The expression is on the description by the way. And there you go, we're done. If you want the numbers to go from 100 to 0, just change the keyframes places. Good luck.